Can a nursing home take your home? Yes. If you pass away and you owe money to a nursing home, they become creditors of your estate. And then your executor will have to take the assets inside of your estate to pay off the debts that you owe them. Now, if you have liquid assets, they will typically sell off those stocks or take the money out of your checking and savings accounts and pay off the debts that you owe the nursing home. If you don't have enough liquid assets, they will force you to sell off physical assets like your home to pay off the debts that you owe to the nursing home. And that is how they quote unquote take your home. They don't take over physical ownership of your property. They will force your executor to sell off assets to pay off the debts that you owe. A way that you can get around this is to put your assets inside of an irrevocable trust. If you are using Medicaid, you will have to put the assets inside the irrevocable trust 5 years before you apply for Medicaid to avoid the 5-year look back period where Medicaid can come take the assets that you put inside the irrevocable trust within that 5-year window. So you need to make sure you put it in the irrevocable trust ahead of time. When you're trying to put assets inside the irrevocable trust just for the nursing home, you need to do it before you go into a nursing home. If you try to do it after you're already in the nursing home and you've accumulated those debts, it's not going to work. They're going to be able to come after those assets even though they are inside the irrevocable trust because you're trying to defraud creditors and the courts aren't going to allow that. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.